What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Before we proceed, please know that this is not financial advice. You can do whatever you like with your money. And that being said, let's take a sip of coffee from my Casper Maxi mug. Everything, guys, everything tastes better with Casper. Oh my God. Okay. Today we're about to do the same thing we do every day. Okay. We're about to look at the market 24 hours performance to see what went on in that crazy world for the past 24 hours. Then we will take a look at the price in a little bit of details. And we will also look at our positions to see whether we are still dropping off the cliff like everybody was saying we was going to do, or have we started to move up, or are we still going sideways, or whatever craziness the market has decided to do today. Okay. But guys, before we get that, there's something like I don't know how to call this. Some people might say it's anxiety. Okay. I think it's more of a fear of missing out. Okay, what they call it, FOMO. That's what I think it is. It is basically like it happened to a lot of people that don't plan ahead. The other day we talked about it. Okay, I told you guys, it's one thing to be in your position. It's another thing to plan ahead. What are you going to do when you get there? Okay, it's also a different thing, like you get into your position right now. You getting into your positions right now versus waiting. Okay, because the market is unpredictable to an extent degree. Okay, so I'm like, I'll give you an example. We were doing good, market was going up, then all of a sudden war breaks out and everything goes to hell. You understand? It's unpredictable. There are people that will say, okay, you know what? I will wait until the price confirms and then I will get in. What happens if tomorrow some kind of bullish news comes out and Bitcoin shoots from 60,000 all the way to 80,000? Are you going to try to catch that knife? Or is it better you're in your position right now, no matter what happens, and then tomorrow the bullish news comes out, it shoots up, and you're already in it? Okay, you're already in it. We already know, like, for example, another example I'm going to give you. Anybody who entered their trade before the Bitcoin halving, right now they're chilling. They don't care what happens to the market, because price is not going to go all the way down to $20,000 or even $30,000 until after the bull run. After the bull run, then yeah, nobody knows. It might drop all the way back down there, although I doubt it, because if you put the line, the fib retracement, it shows like Bitcoin, the all-time high is going to be anything between $140,000 to $170,000. Now, if that retraces, the next low after the bull run, the next bear market low, it might be close to 40, or who knows, maybe $50,000. So yeah, those people, everybody else who had their position way before that, way before the $40,000, come on, they are chilling. They are not FOMOing in. They don't care about what is going on right now. But if you can remember back then when the Bitcoin price was at 40, everybody was like, oh no. It's not going to go to 40. We are going to go all the way back to $15,000. And then people like, it don't matter to me. I'm going to put in my position right now. A lot of them that did, okay, Bitcoin bought. I remember Bitcoin going to 40,000 and then retracing down to like 35 or so. A lot of people, their positions were like negative 40, negative 50%, negative 70%. If they kept that position open, today they are a lot higher. What I'm trying to tell you guys with this is that your conviction matters a lot. your conviction in this market, in this crypto. Either you are trading crypto, or whether you're trading crypto or stocks, your conviction matters a lot. You can't spend all your life thinking about, oh, what if it goes down 20%? What if price retraces 40% or even 70%? You can't spend your entire life doing that. Now, you already know that sooner than later, whatever you are trading is going to shoot up. Based on fundamental, based on the part of the bull run that we are in. You already know it's going to go. So what are you afraid of? Now, you don't want to lose your money. I've said it a lot. Don't trade leverage. Go buy the coins on spot. Because they usually say you cannot eat your cake and have it. No, you can't do that. If you're expecting to be able to make a lot of money, if you are expecting to be able to make a lot of money on leverage by playing with $100, you're in the wrong place. Brother, you're in the wrong place. $100 on leverage is not going to take you anywhere. Okay, unless you get lucky putting a leverage trade on one of these meme coins, and then it takes it up from $100 to probably $2,000 or $3,000, which to me, I don't know, depends on who is trading. But if you want to make good money on leverage, you have to get a substantial amount of money down for two main reasons. Number one reason, once you enter your leverage, you increase that margin up. You start like I usually say, you scale. Come on, I can't talk. You scale your position up. That way, your liquidation goes way low. Goes so low that even when the market swings, you are not going to get liquidated. That is the things that you are supposed to think about. Like, I'll give you an example. I use my own trades. Quant, for example. My quant trade, my liquidation is, I think, $35 or thereabout. The market can swing however it wants to. I don't think quant is going back to $35. So, yeah, I might be negative today, 40%, negative 30, 60%. I don't care, because sooner than later, that price is going to pick up and it's going to get there. And I've told you guys many times, I do not do day trades. It's a lot of stress. For me, seasonal trades are better. For example, my Casper trade. Let me see. My Casper trade. My liquidation on my Casper is way down. 10 cents thereabout. Price is not going back down there. I don't think so. So now I might be negative. Yes, 20, 30, 40% on there. But I know sooner than later, Casper is going to hit $1, $2, $3, $4, and keep on going. I will not remember that at one point in time, I was down negative 20, 30, 40%. I will not remember that, because by then that trade will be worth probably 6 figures. You understand? But if I'm here trying to say, you know what, let me wait for price confirmation, who knows when the price is going to confirm? I might be sleeping. Unless you might be in bed sleeping. By the time you wake up in the morning, that thing is gone and you don't have a position in. You understand? You can't live by trying to FOMO in or FOMO out. You need to have your own conviction. What do you want? What pushes you? Understand? That's why I usually say, I say that most of the time. If you don't have enough money for leverage trading, which I do not recommend unless you know what you're doing, best thing to do is to buy your coins on spot. Okay? Accumulate quant, Casper, Jasmine, whatever you're trading, accumulate it on spot. Yeah, you might not have, let's say you only have $100. $100 will get you just one quant. Oh, thereabout, a quant and a half or something like that. Quant goes to $5,000, you're only gonna make like $5,000 to $7,000. For some people, excuse me. For some people, that's life-changing money, or depending on where you live in the world. Now, that is when you have to choose. That is where you have to choose. Okay, I have $100. If I buy a quant, I'm only gonna make $5,000. Is it good enough for me or not? Or maybe $100 will give me more, excuse me, more Jasmine, because Jasmine is still at 2 cents. And then if Jasmine goes, let's say, to $1 or something like that, I will make more than $7. So you have to make your own choice. But what I'm telling you, that $100 is not going to be enough for you to make enough money on leverage. That is not going to happen. Okay, don't FOMO in. A lot of people do that because, like, guys, when you have a trade, you do it for you. You don't do it for me. You don't do it for anybody. Make up your mind. What do you want to do? So even though you see, like, let's say you choose a project and that project is not doing well on that particular time, don't sell at a loss. Don't do that. Hold on some time, okay? Just give it some time. That's why you see, like, some people, when the project that they drop, just because they did not do their fundamental, they did not do their research, they drop it. All of a sudden it starts to pump. What they usually do, they come in and buy back in at a higher price. At a higher price. Okay? Now, you look at what was I about to give you? For example, Casper. Okay? When Casper was less than a cent, what did a lot of people say, oh, by the time you get to 1 cent, it will die. It won't go anywhere. Casper ripped it through 1 cent, 2 cents, and then people started FOMOing in. You understand? Okay, I still also remember, go watch a lot of YouTubers out there. When Casper was around 7 to 8 cents, oh, that's it, it has gone up a lot. You know, don't worry about it. Some people are even telling their followers not to look at that project. And what happened? It hit that 12, 13 cents. They started FOMOing in. Again, what is your conviction? Are you going to FOMO in just because somebody else is saying it? You see that? Another thing, it's important for you to go and research. I can tell you what a coin is good. Excuse me. I can tell you that the coin is good. A project is good. But if you do not research, it's worthless. Understand? Because it might be good for me due to my own principles. I don't know. You and I, we don't have the same principles. You have to go and research and look at it. Like, okay, why is this guy talking about this coin? What's really going on? What's happening behind the scene? Like right now, anybody, I can tell you, quant, okay? A lot of people, you mention quant to them, they go, oh man, not that thing again. Everything is going up. Quant is not moving as fast. It hasn't even gone past its all-time high. And I'm looking at them. Like, okay, not a problem. I have a month and a half. After a month and a half, we will see where quant is going to be. We will see. The first quarter of 2025 is another time period that a lot of people are not looking at. First quarter, the first 3 months of 2025, you're also about to see what quant is all about. See? That is me doing my research, putting my mouth where my money is, making sure that I make the most out of this bull run coming. A lot of people think it's going to be an extended bull run, and I say you are in for a surprise. Anyways, that is what everybody else thinks. Now, again, what is your conviction? Are you chasing pumps? Are you chasing people just because people are saying something? Are you want to FOMO in or FOMO out? What is your conviction? That's all you got to ask yourself first. Because once you have your conviction in the right place, trust me, whether the market goes up or down, sideways, whatever it does before your targets or before the top of the bull run, you wouldn't care. That's where I am right now. That's where I am, sipping my coffee from a Casper Maxi mug. You understand? I don't care what's going on with the price, because first, my positions are good. I know I have some solid projects. What else to do? Just to wait for the time for the market makers to pump the market, and that's it. Okay, so that's it, guys. let's go and check the market, see what the market has been doing for the past 24 hours. Let's look at our crypto bubbles first. Right there. As you can see, the market has been indecisive. Okay, there was a pump this today and a little bit going sideways and stuff like that. We're still the same way. I told you guys, Bitcoin was not gonna go below $60,000. It bounced already. So yeah, you are still seeing a lot of projects doing bad. But anyways, let's go look at the coins that we are dealing in this My Millionaire journey 2024-2025 run. Let's see. First coin is gonna be the King Casper, KAS, right there. For the past hour, we are down 0.42%, 2% up on the day, 13.6% down on the week, 0.89% down on the month, and 198% 198% up on the year. Price right now, we are still trading. It went up. You see that? 14.8. Yesterday I told you guys we are on that our support at 14 cents. So if you look here, let's go quant QNT. You already know a lot of people hate this coin. QNT for the past hour, 0.5% down, 1.9% up on the day, 11% down on the week, 14.7% up on the month. Pay attention to those numbers. And 19.4% down on the year. See that number is dropping again. Yesterday it was like was 22, 20, something like that. So now let's go look at Jasmine, JAS. For the past hour, 1% down, 4.4% up on the day, 19.1% down on the week, 10.5% up on the month, and 504% up on the year. See those numbers? Again, compare them to those yesterday. You can already tell just by looking at those numbers. I can say that the price has started to go up, has started to recover, and as you can see, it looks like it's a steady a steady recovery. That's what is happening. Today's Friday. We're going through the weekend. There's usually be a lot of volatility in the weekend. So let's see how the price acts on this weekend. Again, let's go look at the price in a little bit detail. So let's take a look at my trading view right quick. Again, you're about to see to make your decision. Do you want to scale up your trades? Are you okay? Is your liquidation in a comfortable place or stuff like that? So let's look here. Trading view. We about to start with King Casper. Wow. hold on. I don't want to say it, but I told you so. Yesterday, people were calling out, oh, Casper is going down to 10 cents, 11 cents. What did I tell you guys? 14 cents on the dot. So look at this. Look at that. Beautiful. Okay, look at it. So now you can go and check my videos for yesterday. It is all there. Look, I told you guys, price came all the way down. Okay, look at that 14 cents right here. Bounce right up. Look, I was telling you guys yesterday that we were going to go above the ribbon. And that's exactly what happened. Above the ribbon. Now, it's using the ribbon as support. Next thing you're about to see is Casper to the continuation up there. Okay, it's going to start going up to go and retry. Let me zoom it a little bit in. Price action, okay. See, came, bounce. I'm expecting what I see right now is that prices probably start to go up to try to go and retry this 15.4, which is the middle resistance on the channel that we are trading in right now. Okay, the channel between 17.2 and 14 cents. The middle of it is this 15.4. So I'm expecting Casper to bounce right here and try to go and retry this 15.4 cents. If you look at it on the 4 hour, excuse me, look at that on the 4 hour. See, ribbon started to curve. So we're bouncing. Casper is fighting. Okay, so right now probably a little bit sideways before deciding to go up there again. to the 15.4. Now, for you to look at this channel, you need to go on the daily. Let me go on the daily. Look at this. On the daily shows is in better. Down, we came all the way down, touch, bounce. Now the moving average is up here. I'm expecting Casper to at least climb on top of the moving average, and then you see the explosive move. There's gonna be the middle channel, which is 15.4, and the moving average. Now if we can break above it, turn this into support, and then keep on going, that would be great. But I see a lot of resistance here at that 15.2, which is the moving average on there, the 21 moving average, and then the middle channel. So let's see how this price plays out. But you guys already know how Casper moves. Casper takes these explosive moves from time to time. So yeah, I'm expecting it to do the same thing. To do the same, like break above and go retry that 17.3. On the worst case, it might come back down again to try the 14.4 or 14 cents, and then take off from there. Okay, so that's why I'm not worried about it. Everything is just as normal. It's doing what it's supposed to do. If you look at it on the weekly, there, I showed you guys this yesterday. Look, price dumped exactly on the money, 14 cents. They got bought right back up. So yeah, it's playing the way it's supposed to. So guys, I don't see why people are panicking. Anyways, let's go look at quant right quick. QNT, USDT, and I like the Binance as always. Okay, now let's try with the lower time frame first. Lower time frame, which is gonna be on the 1 hour. Let's start with the 1 hour. See that? Same thing. Let me zoom in. You guys remember the same thing yesterday. I told you guys we are going to bounce on the bottom part of the flag, okay, which was around that $66, $67. See, we bounced, went above the ribbon. Look again, the ribbon has already turned green. So yeah, that's a sign that this continuation is going to go higher, which means now probably going to go above the moving average. Then try this important resistance again at 72. Okay, $72. We need to close the week above $72 to be more bullish than we are right now. So if you go look on the 4 hourly, look on the 4 hours. See, again, that's another thing that shows me that this price is about to go up. Look at the ribbon. See the way the ribbon is curving? Look at the moving average. He says also, it looks like he's trying to curve upwards too. So yeah, it looks like this price is about to go above. Above uses as a support, bounce. We get above this resistance, and then up we go. Guys, this was just a bear flag. Like I told you guys, was it 2 days ago? I said, it is a bear flag. Do not panic. A lot of people lost money because they panicked. Do not panic. It was just a bear flag. So if you go on the weekly, like I usually tell you guys, you gotta zoom out, guys. You gotta zoom out. All this they're doing is trying to play you out of your own money. That's all they're doing. Okay, see, the price is up here, $125. That's what we're looking for. This right here is just a little move of the bigger picture. Do not get tricked out of your money, guys. Don't get tricked out. Okay, so it's the weekend. Let's see. We're about to see this price take off. Now let's go look at Jasmine. Okay, let's go back first here. Look at Jasmine. Jasmine for me is the only one. Again, until we get above that 2.3 cents, I am still a little bit bearish for Jasmine. But anyways, JASMY on Binance. Jasmine took off. It is a fake, guys. I told you guys. See, that is what that's the beauty about these charts. That is the beauty. When you learn how to read them, you can tell. Look at that. Price has already bounced above the ribbon. Okay, so right now probably gonna bounce again on it and then keep on going. If you take it up to the 4 hourly, look at the 4 hours. Very, very beautiful. Look at the ribbon. Just the same thing like quant. See how it is curving? Price is coming in. It's gonna go in there, and then use that as support, and up we go. Okay. Still, there's still potential of it coming back down to try that 1.5. I mean 1.8, 1.7. But this right here, this 2.3 is a very big resistance. First, I think it looks like it's about to attract the price up there first, and then decide whether it wants to reject or it want to break above. But again, guys, until we break this resistance, I am still a little bit skeptical about Jasmine. And once we break it, guys, get ready for the 4.5 cents to take place almost immediately, like in a couple of days or a week later. Okay, so yeah, that is what is happening right now with Jasmine. If you go on the daily, again, look at that. It's the falling wedge, guys. Okay, falling wedge. A lot of people think it's gonna come all the way back down to 1.6 cents, which is possible. But looking at what Bitcoin is doing right now, I think Bitcoin is about to take off. Once Bitcoin goes off, this thing is about to go. And once it go, we have this inverse head and shoulders that is being formed on the daily. Once it goes, yeah, that should be enough momentum to break this 2.3 cents. Once we break it, that will be awesome. More than awesome, guys. So again, don't look at Jasmine like that. Jasmine has two patterns in one. We have this falling wedge, okay, we have the bull flag, and now we have this potential inverse head and shoulder that is forming. So yeah, everything looks bullish to me. I told you guys, every year that we had a green September, October usually be an explosive month, but the first week or a week and a half, something like that, of that month usually be bearish, and from there it will take off. Okay, so it's a matter of time. We're about to see. There's so many bullish things. There's so many bullish things happening right now that are gonna push this thing to the prices that you are not expecting to see, faster and sooner than a lot of people expect. Anyways, now looking at those events, you can either 5, 10, or 20x your money. That you need to use Bydfi or Phemex. The links are below. Please do not leverage trade if you don't know what you're doing, or else you're going to lose your money. But if you do, go below, sign up, get the free money, because they are giving free money if you meet their deposit bonus, their deposit rules. You get the free money and you start trading. You can either follow me, follow somebody else, or do you. Okay, it don't matter to me as long as you make money. Anyways, now let's go look at my Bydfi. You guys remember yesterday my Bydfi was like $10,000 or something like that. Today I am up 10,700. Wow, I gained 700 today. Awesome. On my contract, you see, wow, quant is almost $70. Again, yesterday it was a little down. So on my contracts, on my quant, I do have 21% up, which is around 1,500. On my Casper, I am still low. Well, it's a little bit up, because yesterday I was lower than this. I was like 40 something percent. Today I am still down 38%, which is 1,100. Again, these positions, I plan to keep it to the top of the bull run, or close to the bull run, top of the bull run as possible. And this I'm trying, I plan to turn it into a 6-figure account. Okay, so let's go look at my Phemex. Phemex right there. Let me sign in. On my Phemex, as you guys can see, wow, it's already up. Yesterday I was down there at 11,001 or something like that. Today I am up $12,000. Okay, you see that? I told you it's a little shakeout, and then it takes off from there. So if you look at my contract on my Jasmine, I am still down 23%, which is around 2,600. Again, I'm not worried about it. This thing is about to take off. And then if you look at my Casper, I am still down 26%, which is 1,100. Again, don't worry about it, because, like, guys, if you look at what's coming, like I said, look at the Jasmine, for example. Okay, Jasmine first target is 4.5 cents, which for me it will make me 18,000. Second target is the top of the bull flag, which is 12 cents. It will make me $80,000. Golden pocket is around 15 cents, will make me $104,000. Again, you have the major resistance at 20 cents, which will make me $146,000. Again, for me, I will say it again, it depends on how to do their lockup. If their lockup does not go good, that means the top of Jasmine might be 60 cents, which will make me $477,000. I'll be happy with that. But if their lockup goes good, we are looking at a $2 Jasmine. $2, which is $1.6 million for me. See that? I am ready for it, no matter what it does. And then you look at Casper, the first target, okay, is going to be 40 cents. I told you guys, that thing is about to run. Once it takes off from here, we are looking at 40 cents. So at 40 cents, this thing will make me $14,000. Now, with the listing of exchanges coming on and everything else, on the projects that I've already started building on this chain using the Casplex, we are looking at $2, guys. $2, if I don't take profit on this one, $2 will make me $110,000. See that? So yeah, those are things that I'm looking at. I'm combing the whole market, looking at the chain, looking at what they're working on and stuff like that. Now you get it. There you get it. It was just a little shakeout. People FOMO'd because somebody has sold. Now they want to sell. A lot of people are trying to buy back in right now, but they're buying in at a higher price, which is, hey, it's good for me. You are pushing up the price because you are doing something better. I showed you guys yesterday. The ratio of shorts to long was for every 20 short position, 1 long position. So what you expect to happen? There's going to be a short squeeze, and a lot of people are going to lose a lot of money, because if you look at a liquidation map, Bitcoin at $73,000, there is billions of dollars of liquidation money up there, and you're about to see the market do this way, nope, that way. You're about to see that happen. Anyways, guys, thank you for watching my videos. Please subscribe. We're trying to make it to 5,000 subscribers. Yeah, we're trying to make it to 5,000 subscribers. Please comment. I would like to know your opinion, what you think about the situation right now in the crypto market. Okay, don't forget to give it a like, guys. The more you interact with the video, the more YouTube pushes it to other people who are millionaire minded like you and I, and then the family grows. Please share the content. Okay, that being said, guys, that oh man, I can't. It is so funny. It's so funny. We're about to see tomorrow. We're about to see what the price will do tomorrow. But anyways, guys, until I see you in my next one, please be careful out there, and bye bye.